Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for security software updates with F-Secure easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official F-Secure website URL. Once the page loads, look for the support or customer support section, usually found in the main menu. Click on the support section to navigate further. Next, locate and click on software updates or a similar option listed. You may need to log into your account to access the updates. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, find the option to register for security software updates. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and product details. Make sure to provide accurate information to ensure successful registration. After entering your details, review them for correctness. Then, look for a Submit or Register button and click on it. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your registration was successful. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from F-Secure. Open the email and follow any additional instructions provided. If prompted, confirm your subscription to receive updates. You are now successfully registered for F-Secure security software updates. Make sure to regularly check your email for future updates and notifications from F-Secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.